Hi guys, it's your Ingeniero Chuper and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the difference or the comparison of the before and after of my MG5 after installing the LED lights. So as you can see in the before video, all stock pa siya, walang pinalitan, and it's all yellowish lights. And for the after, all LED na yung likod. So I changed the plate number lights to LED and also the reverse lights. What I like about the reverse lights, guys, kasi nagbi-blink siya 3 times or meron siyang strobe effect. For me, it's an additional safety feature because it gives notification ng nasa likod that you are backing up. As you can see, inulit-ulit ko talaga yung pag-engage ng reverse para maipakita ko sa inyo yung strobe effect. And also, this LED reverse light is more brighter than the stock. So it gives you more visibility when you are backing up. And now, let's compare the before and after for the headlights. For me, in my own opinion, meron talaga siyang difference. It is more brighter now and much clearer na yung object na nasa harap. For me, nothing to worry if nakakasilaw ba tayo sa ibang drivers or ibang vehicles. As you can see, there's no difference sa light cutout niya. So the projection of the light is still the same as per standard. So ayan guys, it's for you to decide if this LED headlight is worth it. Basta for me, no regrets sa ginawa kong upgrade for my unit. So thank you for watching. It's your Ingeniero Chuper and I'll see you on my next vlog.